Can I take holiday during garden leave? Part 3. I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. So one of the things about garden leave is that by its nature, you're kind of in a state of flux. You're outside of your employer's business, but your employer might ask you to do work either by coming into its workplace or by working remotely during that time. So, in a worst case scenario, if an employer kept on getting in touch frequently and asked you to do work during all of the days that you were on garden leave, then the possibility is that you haven't had the chance to take your outstanding holiday before your employment ends. That could be a breach of contract. It could be a breach of your contract of employment, or it could be a breach of a settlement agreement, or both. So, one of the ways around this to prevent your employer breaching that contract, whichever contract it is, would be to have a settlement agreement that actually sets out the specific days when you will be treated as if you are on holiday and, within reason, will not be contactable. So, what that kind of clause would do is it would say you are deemed to be on holiday on this date, that date, and the other date. And then, in practice, you actually are treated as being on holiday during those days so that you've got the opportunity to properly use up your outstanding holiday. Otherwise, there could be a breach of contract. I hope that answers the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.